Hey guys, Bryce with Dixie 4-wheel drive, and today we got Fred's Rubicon Jeep. It's a LS3 JK with Fox 2.5 coil-overs, bump stops, Terraflex ST dual race sway bar, Warren 9.5 CTI, factor 55. It's got full float 60s. It's got a suck down winch as well, Warren tucked up in there. And that Warren allows it to be suck the axle tighter on those steep climbs. So, Poison Spider fender flares, Gen Ride aluminum bumpers, Rock Slide Engineering electric steps, Poison Spider corner guards, Raceline wheels on 40-inch BFGs, what they call their KR3, 2.5 coilovers, 2.5-inch exhaust, Terraflex rear bar, 1350 drive shafts, aluminum skid plates. This one has a Terraflex long arm. We'll show you inside. It's got those electric steps we were talking about. Rock hard roll cage. S-Pod. This Jeep's a 2015 Rubicon, and we built it back in 2015. He's got about 14,800, I would say mostly off-road miles. This thing's been to Moab multiple times. It's been to the Rubicon. It's been all over Sand Hollow. Lives at Sand Hollow. Fred's a good guy, good friend, good customer. And we've got to do the whole build here. It's got rigid 50-inch E light bar, the dual row. It's got their dually exhales, but it's a mean looking Jeep. Drives good, rides good. But yeah, thanks for checking out Rubicano.